Hello students, welcome to basic classes. This is M. Rahul from Balabharati High School, Buduwarpet, Kurnool. This video is the continuation of previous videos. In the previous videos, we have discussed divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this video, we are going to discuss divisibility rules of 7, 8, 9 and 10. First one, divisibility by 7. Divisibility by 7 states that difference between the number formed by last 3 digits and rest of the digits should be divisible by 7. Now let us take one example and let us discuss this rule in detail. Here we have an example, that is, check whether 1232 is divisible by 7. Let us check it. 1232. So if you observe carefully, in this number we have totally 4 digits, right? They are 1, 2, 3, 2. So according to our rule, what we need to do, we need to take last 3 digits and we need to subtract those 3 digits with the remaining digits. Now in this case, last 3 digits are 232, that is 232. Now remaining digits in this number is 1. So subtract this one from 232. Let us do it. 232 minus 1. What is 232 minus 1? 231. Now check whether 231 is divisible by 7 or not. 7 3s 21. 3 minus 1 2. Bring down 1 here. Again 7 3s 21. 21 minus 21 0. So therefore we got remainder 0. So from this we can say that 1232 is divisible by 7 according to this rule. Let us see some more examples. So here I am taking one more number, that is 11,816. Observe this number carefully. So we have totally 5 digits in this number, right? What are those digits? 1, 1, 8, 1, 6. And in this number, what are the last 3 digits we have? 8, 1, 6, right? So basically this is 816. And what are the remaining digits we have? 11, right? Now subtract this 11 from 816. Let us do it. 816 minus 11. What is 816 minus 11? 805, right? Now let us check whether 805 is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones 7. 8 minus 7, remainder is 1. Bring down 0. Again 7 ones 7. 10 minus 7 3. Bring down 5. 7 5s 35. Remainder is 0, right? So 35 minus 35 is 0. So we got remainder 0. So from this we can say that 11,816 is divisible by 7. Let us see some more examples. So here I am taking the number 67,823. Now let us check whether 67,823 is divisible by 7 or not. So according to this rule, let us take last 3 digits. So in this number, what are the last 3 digits? 823. And what are the remaining digits? 6 7, right? So what we need to do now, we need to subtract 67 from 823. Let us do it. 823 minus 67. 823 minus 67 equal to 756. Now let us check whether 756 is divisible by 7 or not. 7 ones 7. Bring down 5 here. So we cannot divide 5 by 7. So if you keep here 0, we can bring 6 down here. 7 8s 56. 56 minus 56 0. So from this we can say that 67,823 is divisible by 7 according to this rule. Okay. Now let us take one more example. So 9,123. So in this 9123 we have totally 4 digits, right? So what are the last 3 digits in this number? 1 2 3. that is 123. And what is the remaining digit we have? 9, right? So subtract 9 from 123. 123 minus 9. What is 123 minus 9? 114. Now divide this 114 with 7. 7 ones 7. 11 minus 7, 4. Bring down 4 here. What is 7 6? 42. Right? So I have taken here 7 6. Why? Because 7 7s 49. So we have number here 44. That is why I have taken 7 6 42. Okay. So 4 minus 2, 2. We got here remainder 2. So if you observe carefully, we did not get remainder here 0. We got remainder 2. So from this we can say that 9123 is not divisible by 7. Why? Because here we got remainder 2 instead of 0. If you observe these three numbers, in these three numbers we got remainder 0. That is why we said that these three numbers are divisible by 7. Whereas in this example we got remainder 2. That is why we are saying this number is not divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8 states that number formed by last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, so what is divisibility by 8 states? Divisibility by 8 states that number formed by last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, now let us take one example and let us discuss this rule in detail. Okay, so here we have a question that is check whether 11,816 is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, let us see. 11,816. Now if you observe this number carefully, 11,816, so we have totally 5 digits in this number, right? So what are those 5 digits? 11816. And what are the last 3 digits in this number? 816, that is 816. Now what we need to do? We need to take these last 3 digits and we need to see whether these 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. Let us check. 816, 8 ones 8. So bring down 1 here. 1 is not divisible by 8. So take here 0, bring 6 down. Now 8 twos 16, right? So the remainder will be 0. If you observe carefully, 16 minus 16 is 0. We got here remainder 0. From this we can say that 11,816 is divisible by 8. Okay, now let us take one more example. So I am taking 1232. Check whether 1232 is divisible by 8 or not. If you observe this number carefully, there are totally 4 digits. Now what we need to do is we need to take last 3 digits. In this number, last 3 digits are 232, that is 232. So let us check whether 232 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 3 is 24, so we cannot take 24. 8 2 is 16. Okay, so if you borrow 1 from here, it will become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Bring down 2. 8 9s 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. So we got remainder 0. So from this we can say that 1232 is divisible by 8. Let us take one more example. So I am taking 9248. So let us check whether 9248 is divisible by 8 or not. So what are the last 3 digits in this number? 248, that is 248. So 8 3s 24. Bring down 8. 8 ones 8. So remainder is 0. We got remainder 0 here. So from this we can say that 9248 is divisible by 8. Okay, again let us take one more example. I am taking here 11,277. So in this 11,277, what are the last 3 digits? 277, that is 277. Let us check whether 277 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 3s 24. So 7 minus 4 3. Bring down 7. Again 8 4s 32. 7 minus 2 5. So Therefore, we got remainder 5 here. So from this we can say that 11,277 is not divisible by 8. Why? Because here we got the remainder 5. That is why 11,277 is not divisible by 8. Whereas if you look at these three cases, in these three cases we got reminders 0 in all cases. That is why we are saying these numbers are divisible by 8. When we say 0, it means that it is exactly dividing that number. Okay, so that is why in these three cases these three numbers are divisible by 8, whereas in this case we are getting remainder 5. That is why this number is not divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9 states that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Here, sum of its digits means we need to add all the digits present in that number. Now, let us take one example and let us discuss this rule in detail. So, here I am taking one number, that is 5166. Now, if you observe this number carefully, we have totally 4 digits in this number. Now, what we need to do is, we need to check whether this number is divisible by 9 according to this rule. Okay, so according to this rule, what we need to do is, we need to add each digit present in this number. Observe this number carefully. We have totally 4 digits in this number, right? They are 5166. Now, what we need to do is, we need to add all these 4 digits. Let us add 5 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. Now, is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 twos 18, right? So from this we can say that 5166 is divisible by 9 according to this rule. Okay, let us take one more example. So let us take 7128. So what we need to do is, we need to check whether 7128 is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, let us check. So again, if you look at this number, in this number we have 4 digits, that is 7128. Now what we need to do is, we need to add these 4 digits. Let us add 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes. 9 twos, 18. So from this we can say that 7128 is divisible by 9 according to this rule. Okay, let us take one more number, 11,277. Now let us check whether 11,277 is divisible by 9 or not. If you observe carefully, in this number we have 5 digits. They are 1, 1, 2, 7, 7. Now let us add all these digits. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 twos 18. So from this we can say that 11,277 is divisible by 9 according to this rule. Okay, now let us take one more example. 12,571. Again, here we have 5 digits. They are 1, 2, 5, 7, 1. Now let us check whether 12,571 is divisible by 9 or not. Add these digits. 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Is 16 divisible by 9? No. So from this we can say that 12,571 is not divisible by 9. Okay, let us take one more number. So here I have taken 13,721. Again in this number also we have 5 digits. What are they? 1, 3, 7, 2, 1. Now let us add the digits present in this number. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Is 14 divisible by 9? No. Therefore, from this we can say that 13,721 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Now, let us take this number and check whether this number, that is 9,123, is divisible by 9 or not. Okay. So, let us take that number 9,123. If you observe this number carefully, there are 4 digits in this number. They are 9, 1, 2, 3. Let us add these digits. 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Is 15 divisible by 9? No. So from this we can say that 9,123 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Now divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10 states that if the units digit of a number is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Now let us take one example and let us discuss this rule in detail. Here we have a question, that is, check whether 910 is divisible by 10. So here I have written that number. You can see in units place we have 0, in tens place we have 1, in hundreds place we have 9. So if you observe this number carefully, in units place we have 0. So from this we can say that 910 is divisible by 10 according to this rule. Okay. So let us take one more number. So here I am taking 1000. If you observe carefully, in units place we have 0. So from this we can say that 1000 is divisible by 10. In the same way, let us take one more number, 2130. Again, if you observe carefully, in this number, in units place we have 0. So from this we can say that 2130 is divisible by 10. Let us take one more number, 13,570. If you observe this number carefully, again in units place we have 0. So from this we can say that 13,570 is divisible by 10. Let us take one more number, 21,582. If you observe this number carefully, 21,582, in units place we have 2. Therefore, according to our rule, this number, that is 21,582, is not divisible by 10. Okay, so 21,582 is not divisible by 10. Why? Because in the units place we have 2. That is the reason this number is not divisible by 10. If you observe these 4 numbers, in these 4 numbers in the units place we have 0. That is why these 4 numbers are divisible by 10 according to our rule. Okay. So this is your homework. You can do this homework in any notebook. Okay. So this table belongs to parallelogram. Okay. And this table is for triangle. This table is for rhombus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.